I'm not sure it got derailed. I mean, there's a lot of things that are a lot better, so it's different. It concerns me that I think what happened, there's an institutional factor with the publisher parish. Publisher parish has really spread. And when it spread, it started spreading in the 70s. The field really grew in the 70s. We have in the paper, we have numbers. And we show, I can't remember exactly, around a 500% increase in business undergraduate degrees from 1950 to 1980, and like a 1,600% increase in MBA degrees. And that led to demand increasing for marketing faculty. And so a lot more PhDs. So you saw increases in PhDs. And mostly, at least our focus was on America. So we don't really have global information, but my sense is America was a very important center for this sort of development. Then after 1980, you saw globalization occurring in marketing thought as well. So we have more and more thinkers pouring into the field under publisher parish circumstances and having to publish. And so we saw this explosion in outlets. And we have thinkers coming in. We've always had them coming in from other areas, but I think now they're rewarded for pursuing the areas they were trained in because scientific specialization is very prized. And so we have people coming in who've never had a marketing course, who are marketing faculty, very successful publishers in marketing journals, JCR being considered a marketing journal by our academic institutions. And so when they're training there, and the I don't know what you call it, but the shelf life of you become a trainer of doctoral students. If you're a successful researcher, you become a trainer of doctoral students relatively quickly. So let's say 8 or 10 years, and you're running your students. And there are more and more people running students who actually don't have training in marketing, and that's not their strength, and that's not what they're transmitting. And so we're now probably 3 or 4 or 5 generations into fine research academics who don't have much training in marketing or much interest. So somewhere in there I may have hit on an answer to your question. I'm not sure. It's not so much I think it was, I mean, there's very impressive work going on. I'm not trying to criticize the quality of the work. I think there hasn't been a central force somehow making marketing crucially important to success in an academic career. So if somebody's a really fine quantitative person, they don't have to be that interested in marketing. And if somebody's a really fine CB person, they don't have to be either.